this video's purpose, I have about 9% battery left. I'm going to rush through it. Mr. Mark Weaver, Buick 400, 430, 455 War Performance Group page on Facebook of Eric Albino. God bless you, man. He taught me how to check. He taught me how to check circuit breaker wiring as to see what the problem was. The problem was the wire goes from the circuit breaker to the electric fuel pump, which I deleted that wire. I'm gonna run totally new wire tomorrow. I haven't eaten all day. I've been out here for hours. This is the new wire I started routing, from under the hood, routing it back here, opposed to the passenger side. The power wire is going to be routed straight down through the grommet, under the amp, straight to the fuel pump. And I'm going to totally delete that blue wire that was creating the issues. But so far, so good. I thank you very much, Mr. Weaver. Looks like this thing wants to shut off. Look at that. It's getting dim because the video is going to shut off any moment due to low battery on my phone. But God bless you, Mark Weaver, you and your family. I thank all you guys very much for all your help. God bless, and have a fantastic week ahead. Peace and love. I hate to rush.